Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, western Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, eastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Oklahoma City, Oregon, 4 miles west of Mustang, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include western Oklahoma City, western Edmond, Reno, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, The Village, Tuttle, Piedmont, Nichols Hills, Union City, Minko, Woodlawn Park, and Richland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman